The election campaign has turned to one of the traditional battlegrounds, the health system. The opposition has unveiled a $3 billion plan that includes 2,800 new hospital beds. On the government side, Kevin Rudd is off his hospital bed and again talking publicly. The former Prime Minister is promising to work for Julia Gillard, and she's welcomed his re-emergence. From Canberra, Julie Doyle reports.
In the former Prime Minister's home state, Julia Gillard was the main attraction. But Kevin Rudd is still getting the headlines.
Clearly, he will be campaigning for the re-election of the government. I welcome that, and I know that it is fuelled by the beliefs that we share.
Kevin Rudd finally broke his silence last night in an interview on Radio National. He said life's too short to carry around anger and resentment, and his country comes first.
The future of KM Rudd is one thing. The future of the country is actually much bigger because it affects 22 million of us, not just one of us. I can't just, stand idly by at the prospect of, Mr Abbott sliding into office by default.
The tone, the message, spot on. The country needs the return of our government, because if it does, it will go forward.
The former Prime Minister urged people not to vote against Labor in protest at the way he's been treated, and he confirmed his desire for a ministry.
I'd want to see Kevin serving as a senior member of the team if we're re-elected in an area where he's got enthusiasm and passion.
One of Kevin Rudd's passions was health reform. Tony Abbott wants to undo his work.
G'day, Anne. Tony Abbott.
He's promised more than $3 billion over 4 years.
We are inevitably going to be spending more on health and hospitals.
The coalition policy includes 2,800 new hospital beds, the creation of local boards to run hospitals, an increase in the Medicare rebate for after-hours services, and funding to upgrade GP surgeries. The opposition's health policy sets up another point of difference with the government. Tony Abbott's plan relies on scrapping multi-billion-dollar Labor investments. The Prime Minister says it won't reduce waiting times for elective surgery or in emergency departments. Mr Abbott says hospitals will have to meet performance targets.
Thank you so much. Oh, thank you so much, Annie. I wish you could vote.
And he's signalling a hard bargain with the states to meet them. Julie Doyle, ABC News, Canberra.